Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tools School. My name is Vincent. I received a question. Someone asked how to install or download Google Chrome in VirtualBox. This is my VirtualBox. I use this for tutorial. VirtualBox is like a computer inside computer. You can use it for tutorial or educational purposes, develop a system or app. What I want to do is to show you how to install Google Chrome in your VirtualBox. So what you need to do is, depending on the search bar you want to use, go to Microsoft Edge. For example, select Microsoft Edge. Then what you need to do is you go on top, new tab, select new tab, then type Google Chrome. Google Chrome, select Google Chrome. Then you select Chrome for desktop, select on it. Then agree to terms and condition. Select download Chrome for window. This is it here, Chrome setup.exe. Open the file. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Initializing is downloading. So if you look on the whole computer, you will see that I already got Google Chrome at the bottom, but we are downloading this Google Chrome in the VirtualBox. So pretty much like this little square you see here is different computer altogether, working differently. Waiting to install. And also the logo will be at the bottom here once it's done. Installing. Thanks for downloading. Just a few steps left. You can see the logo. So now this is the Chrome here. It will ask you sign into Chrome or your device. So you sign in or don't sign in. If you want to sign in, let's say you sign. If you don't want to sign, you can select don't sign in, for example. Then you set as default. So this is the Chrome. So we ask you to make Chrome default, set that as default. So Chrome now is made set up as a default. Then you close. Then you close this. Select no, thank you. So it's saving all the features. So this is how to get Google Chrome on your VirtualBox. Go to YouTube. So it will take you to YouTube for you can sign in to YouTube and start watching any any of the program you prefer. So this is how to try searching to get started. So you can just need to sign into your YouTube account for you to start watching, or you type any video you prefer. For instance, okay, so you can search any video and they will bring out the video if you don't want to sign in. This is how to install Google Chrome in your VirtualBox. Thank you.